So resolve selection is a little bit more complicated than some editor programs, and that causes some confusion. For example, right now, nothing is selected, and I hit delete. Nothing happens. Click on the clip here, hit delete. That goes away, fine. If I say in, well, setting an in will automatically set an out to the end. So if I say delete, it'll delete everything there. And if I say an out, we see this selection is highlighted, the other sections aren't, and so if I hit delete, that middle section goes away. Great. What's odd is that if I click here, now what gets deleted? Well, you can see that the highlight has changed such that now the whole timeline is available, which does imply, when you see everything right here, that the in and the out are not taking precedence. Of course, if you're zoomed in and you're looking like this, you don't really notice that there's an in and an out. And then if I hit delete, okay, well, it deleted, but now my timeline got dim and I might be puzzled. Let me go back to see everything, and now we can see that what I clicked on got deleted, and there's still this section. So if I hit delete again, then that middle section will delete. Let's undo and undo. Now if I hit delete again, well, the middle section goes away, but this clip that was selected before, undo doesn't restore the selection. So hitting delete, delete, undo, undo doesn't get me back to the same situation as before, so that when I hit delete again, it does something different. Another thing that's curious about this, now what happens when I hit delete? You see I have this edge selected. When I hit delete now, the selection goes away. That's all that happens. And then I hit delete again, and the selected thing goes away. Undo, undo. Well, what just got undone the second time? Not my first delete, but rather the thing that happened before that. So it's confusing. Let me show you that again. So I have a selection, and I'm going to drag and edit like this. I'm going to hit delete twice, and then I'm going to hit undo twice. We should end up just like we see here with that ripple there, okay? Delete, delete, undo, undo. But we don't. Why? Because clearing the selection, which was a response to my first delete, wasn't saved on the undo stack, and then my second delete actually deleted content. So when I did my first undo, I got the delete back, and then the second undo undid whatever happened before my previous delete, which was the ripple. I claim that's a bug. Let's now try and see what this selection model does with pastes. So I have an in and an out, and I have this selected, and I'm going to copy that clip. My playhead is here, and I hit paste. That is probably what happened to you. Since I had an in and an out, the in and the out trump the playhead position. So the order of selection precedence is, for copy, the selected clip takes precedence. For paste, the in and out range takes precedence. So I copy here, and I'm copying this. I paste, and I'm getting that. That's confusing, I think. If I copy now without any clip selected, and then I paste, it's just going to create edits there because it copied and pasted over the same place. But if I copy and then clear the in and out, it's going to take precedence of where my playhead is. Now, what if I copy here, clear in and out, and select a clip? Is that going to do anything to paste? No. Paste is still going to go where the playhead is. So the copy-paste rules and rules of selection precedence are a little more complicated than one might expect.